Hello, welcome to yet another interesting tutorial on your favorite YouTube channel, TBS eLearning. And on today's tutorial, I'll be teaching you how you can actually purchase a course on the TBS eLearning app. Now, if you don't have the app installed on your mobile phone, you can head up to Play Store and download the TBS eLearning app. And you can also use the web browser and navigate to their official link so that you can have access to your dashboard. Now, having said that, I'll be using my mobile phone and I'll be using my preferred browser to search for this particular link so that I will be able to describe and also show you how you can do this on your own. So head up to any browser of your choice and type TBS eLearning, search for it. Now the first link that shows at the top is what we are actually going to be visiting. So click on the first link that shows at the top. Now once you are here, you will be asked to log in with your existing user login detail. But if you're new and you don't have a login detail, you need to scroll down to where you see register. Don't have an account, register. So if you click on that, don't have an account, register, you will be sent or you'll be redirected to this particular page where you fill in your full name, your email address, your phone number, your password, and you confirm the same password. You select your date of birth and you select your gender. Then you agree to terms and conditions before you can be able to register. So, but I will be using an existing account to make this demonstration. Another way to log in again is by clicking login with Google. So once you click on login with Google, you don't need to go through all those registration process again. Google is going to search for your active email address and log you into the system automatically. So either way can actually work. And if you forgot your password, you can reset your password using this forgot password link below, beside the remember me button. All right, so I'm going to actually log in with my own email. So I'll write this at tbselearning.com. All right, so for this demonstration purpose, I'll just copy and paste. This is actually a demo account, so you don't have anything to worry. Okay, so I'll just say remember me since it's my device, but if it is not your device, you can actually leave it like that so that anytime you just log in, your login detail will be saved on your browser. So click login, and once it is successful, you'll be able to see your dashboard and you will see the total balance in your dashboard. You will see total amount of money spent, total certificate gain, courses in progress, and course purchased as well as course completed. Now you can see I have active data science here as a course, which is under the professional diploma. I also have web design, which is under the professional diploma. We also have lots of courses available here. So, but I want to see all my certificates. Just click on these three horizontal lines at the top left corner of your screen. Once you click on it, you should be able to see your name, see your courses, see your quiz, your live classes, certificates, purchase history, deposit, rewards, point. Now, if I click on my courses, I will be able to see all the courses I've actually taken on this particular platform. So you can see all of them, the ones I've completed, like cybersecurity, transportation and logistics, and so on. So having said that, what I actually want to do in this particular video is to make it very short. So what we actually intend doing here is to deposit and then purchase a course. So you can see here we have deposit. You click on deposit, and in this place it's going to ask you the amount you want to deposit. So here in Naira, I'm going to deposit the sum of 5,000 Naira, and so I'll click save info. And once I click on save info, it's going to pop up a payment method for me, which is the only payment method available here using normal bank. All right, so I'll click on it and it's going to redirect me to the normal bank payment gateway. Here you can see transfer is recommended. You can use your card, you can use number QR, you can use installments payment, you can use USSD. If I click on transfer, it's going to generate an account number for me, and then show me the name that's going to be seen on that particular account number, and also the bank name I'm going to select, which is the non-bank. All right, so once I copy this, I will be able to go to my mobile app and make transfer, and I'm transferring the sum of 5,017 naira. Once I'm done transferring that money, I'll click on confirm transfer, and automatically my wallet will be credited. Okay, so once this is successful, you will see, but you can see I didn't make the payment. That's why I show you transaction is declined. So once that payment was successful, I would have seen 28,500 naira in my balance here. So that is how to fund your wallet. And also when you go to deposit also, you'll be able to see histories of all your deposit. You can see on 19 April 2025, I deposited 5,000, I deposited 20,000, I deposited 2,000, I deposited 1,000, and I deposited 100 naira. So these are all deposit history that are attached to your account. Now the next we are going to be doing is to purchase a course. Now peradventure your deposit is successful like we ought it should be if you make that payment. Now the next thing is to purchase a course. So to purchase a course, you can click on this humanoid hamburger sign at the top right corner of your screen. So click on it and you will see home. Click on home, and it will take you to this particular place where you will see millions of courses online. We have millions of courses online. So in this place, this is where you're going to select. If you want to see courses that has to do with social and management science, you click on it. If you want to see executive master courses, you click on this. If you want to also see accounting and finance, all of them are available on this place. Then you can also click on view all courses if you want to see all courses on it. Once you click on view all courses, now you'll be able to see that we have on this particular page, this page alone, this particular first page, we have 12 courses listed here. Now when I go down, maybe I don't see any of the course I want to purchase here, I can scroll down to where we have other numbers. Now here we have 1 2 3 4 5 6 till the last number, which is as many as possible. So when you click number 2, it takes you to the second page, third page, fourth page. You keep searching for your courses the way you want it. Any course you want to actually have access to, you can have access to it. And if you just want to also sort these courses, you can just click this and click on courses. You can see quiz, you can see instructors, you can see contact. So click on courses, and you can see here project management. This is actually an executive master course, which is 22,000, and so on and so forth. So you can also sort by dates. Now let's say for example I pick let me see, for one particular course I would like to purchase, okay, let's go with security in urban environment and so on. So if I click on this particular course, this course actually is going to be charged at the rate of 1,150 naira. This is a diploma course actually. So you can see the level is professional diploma, lectures 8 lessons, enrolled 1 student, certificate of completion is available, and 90 days access time. That means you have 3 months to study this particular course till finish. Now what I need to do is to add it to cart. That's if I want to buy multiple courses at once, I'll just add to cart. But if I want to buy only this course, I'll just click on buy now. So I can click on this buy now, and it will take me to where I'm going to check out. So you make sure you fill in your billing address, your full name, and so on. In case if you didn't do that, you will need to do that. All right, so this is the only thing I have on my cart. You can see my cart is redeem 1, and so I don't have any coupon code available for now because they are not currently giving any 50% discount or anything on each course. So I'll just click on I agree to this particular terms and condition for me to be able to check out this course. Now I'll click on place an order. Once I click on place an order, it's going to ask me there are 2 methods of payment. I can either pay using wallet or I can use the non-bank. If I want to use the non-bank, I'll just click it here. In case I don't want to deposit money in my wallet, I can just pay directly on purchase when I want to actually apply for this particular course. I don't need to pay via wallet. But what I want to do is to pay via wallet because I already have funds in my wallet. So I'll click on pay via wallet. So it will tell me this is the balance I have in my wallet, so it's going to subtract this amount from my wallet. I'll say pay, and once I approve on pay, it's going to deduct that payment automatically. So you can see the cost is purchased, and then the amount is also deducted from my balance. And you can see here we have 10,350 as compared to the former balance, which was 9,000 plus. All right, so if I go to my courses here, I should be able to see this new course that I just purchased. So let's go down. You should be able to see it. So this is the security in urban environment. So I have this course. I can click on it and I'll start reading. I'll start studying my stuff. I can also zoom out, reduce the size, increase it. If I'm not seeing well, I can reduce it the way I want it, reduce it. Anyhow you want to do it. You can also make it fit to the page so that you will read, scroll, go. Once you're done with the first page, you click mark as complete. Once you click mark as complete, it takes you automatically to the next page. So this is exactly how to use the TBS e-learning platform to purchase course, to also deposit funds, and also study online. Thank you so much for watching. Until I come your way again with another fresh episode on TBS e-learning, I remain your host, Jay Jackson. Thank you so much.